Alright everybody, so I'm recording a video on the project here downtown on the light rail. I talked to two construction guys. One told me it's going to go till at least December 1st and the other said till the end of December, but they both said it's going to go way over schedule because they really don't have many guys working on it. So I'm going to show you. I'm starting here at the convention center and I'm going to ride the entire loop. They told me the brown cement all needs to be dug up, and that pretty much goes everywhere. So you can see what they've done so far. It's been closed for 3 weeks. But my frustration is there's just one small crew. It's gonna take forever. Six guys with hand shovels, and then the others look like supervisors. So it looked like they had two full crews. But like I say, all this brown cement has to be dug up. And the guys involved themselves say, yeah, it's not going to get done in time for the December 1st deadline. I guess I could go this way. But it's just bad timing because they just finished the 16th Street Mall, but now they've got the light rail into central downtown shut down, which is understandable. They got to do this. It's been here 30 years in downtown, so I just thought they could have a lot more crews working on it. Maybe they could just, because every day this is shut down, it's costing the downtown economy money. I'll just ride on the tracks. Yeah, so all this brown cement has to be dug up. Yeah. So when the train comes into downtown, it's D line to E line, it stops at the convention center, and then it does this loop that I'm doing. It stops at 4 different stops, and this is one of them here at 18th and California. But that's one of the 4 stops, and then it swings around after doing the loop back to the convention center and heads back south. And they're also doing tracks between downtown and the Auraria campus. So it's interesting. It looks like they got the new rails delivered, but they have to dig up the cement that the rails are sitting on. So I'm not sure how they're going to do that. Or maybe this is just kind of a storage place for the rails for the other side when they need them over there. I'm not sure, but I'm sure they have a plan. resurfacing that building right there. That's a big project. Yeah, so this is all has to be dug up. So, yeah, again, all of this has to be dug up. And, you know, the light rail's been shut down for 3.5 weeks now. And based on how much they've gotten done, even the construction guys told me it's going to go way over. It's kind of wild to ride the caps of the light rail. Definitely wouldn't do this if it was operating. But yeah, so this is the loop. I'm back at the convention center now. So they've got to, again, they've got to dig all this up. Yeah, you can see. I would ride along there, but so I might as well ride over to the Auraria campus. So yeah, all the track between here and all this track you see here has to be dug up too. That all has to be dug up. It winds around. Again, this all has to be dug up. Looks like they got some dug up on the bridge there because the traffic isn't going to need that. know, those construction guys are working hard. They're doing a good job. But even they say that they're understaffed. There's no way they're going to make this deadline. I mean, all this has to be done. It looks like they're digging 2 feet down. So that's a lot of, you know, you got to tear this all up with, I don't know, a giant jackhammer or something, and then, yeah. Yeah, you can see there. Hustle so I can get across. Now this looks like new, like what they did in the last project. So this looks like it's already done, good to go. Because they had, I don't know, this past winter they shut down for 2 or 3 months. The same situation. Let's see, walk this slowly. Yeah, this looks like it was already done, so they just have to get to the middle of Spear Boulevard on that bridge, and maybe that's it. But you can see they're doing more over here at the Auraria campus. Oh wow, I see. I was gonna go on that sidewalk covered with wood, but I can't. Let's see. Yeah, so interesting. You can see it's all dug up. It's interesting. You can so yeah, it's probably 2.5 to 3 feet, well, 2.5 feet down, looks like. But so that's the and again, that looks like that's already done in the last project. So, but yeah, so that's the update. It's June 30th, 2026. Again, these, I mean, you can see they do a good job. Look at it, they did that really nice on the last project. So these guys are working hard. They're doing a good job. They just say they need more people working on it to meet the deadline of December 1st. So, like I say, both guys I talked to said there's no way they're going to go get anywhere near that date and finish it. It's going to go way beyond that date. So again, December 1st of this year, 2026 is the deadline. But the thing is, they just opened the 16th Street Mall after a 2.5-year project, completely redoing that, and that went like a year and a half over schedule, according to what the guys I talked to and what he read in the articles about it. But the 16th Street Mall, it's nice, but it went way over schedule by well over a year, and you know, that hurt the downtown economy, businesses and restaurants. But they finally got it open, and now as soon as that's open, a month later they shut this down, the light rail. Well, they have the light rail that goes to Union Station, which is on the edge of downtown, but you know, this is still gonna hurt the central downtown economy, because you know, a lot of people like to take the train into central downtown to do what they're gonna do, and then because they don't want the traffic or parking problems. And now there's going to be more traffic and parking problems with this line out. So, you know, late at night, if you're in central downtown, the 16th Street Mall shuttle is very sporadic. You have a 5% chance of catching one. And then it's a long walk down to Union Station, and so it is gonna, every day this is shut down, it costs the downtown money. So I feel bad for the businesses. They already went through the 16th Street Mall, and now they're doing this. So but yeah, we'll see what happens. That's just an update. It's frustrating for people that still work downtown, as few that there are, because they can't, some people don't have cars, and they don't have time to go all the way to Union Station and then go all the way to their business at the other end of the downtown. So it's very difficult on a lot of people. So we'll see. That's it for now, guys. Have a good day.